about fixing squeakiness in your Maserati V6 engine. This one, you can use the pick and pick underneath here, and pop it open. I'll use my hand now. I already loosened this up. So it comes out just like that. So this is the old PCV out of the car. This is the original one. There was a hole in the diaphragm. I would have to find it somewhere, but obviously replacing, there is the crack, I think, yeah. But obviously replacing just that did not help, so I ended up replacing the whole assembly. Before you use the new one, there is a silver disc right here, I'm not sure what it's called, with a gasket that you have to take out from the original one and push it into the new one before you put this back on the car. Very easy, not a big deal really. So this is fixed now, but what I had to do at the end was to replace the entire PCV valve assembly. I bought one at Amazon, from Amazon. The link is in the description, so you can get the same one because this one does work. And how did I get it out? So first I disconnected this hose here. The blue tab goes out, and there is a push button right here. Push on it and pull it out. Very easy to do. Take the hose out of the way. Then the next thing was to release all the clips that's holding this silver pipe. So there is one here, and one in the back. That will loosen the pipe enough so it can go up and to the left. Then you have two screws holding the PCV valve assembly. So I took them out, obviously. Then this hose is easier to get out first. So again, it's got a holding clip here that I released to make it move a little bit. And then there is a flat spot right here, and I used the round pick just like that, pull it in like so, and yanked it out towards the front of the car. It comes out actually fairly easily. At that point, with those screws being out, you can maneuver the whole thing to the left to get it out from the intake manifold. There's just enough room with this silver pipe out of the way a little bit, so you can actually pull it up and up. Then this other hose is just this one is just sliding in, so it has no clamp on it. So what I did, again, I released all the plastic holding clamps on that hose. With this thing a little up, I used my left hand to hold that hose so it's not going anywhere, and with my right hand I grabbed the body of the PCV and was twisting it back and forth, left and right, while pulling it out, and it actually released fairly easily, and the whole thing came out. So it wasn't hard, and you don't have to remove all the hoses or anything. It can all stay in, and it literally took like 5 minutes. So in a conclusion of this, you can try to replace just the diaphragm, the plastic bladder, if you will. It may work for you. It did not work for me in this instance, but then I assembled the new piece back in and put the whole piece back on the car, and that fixed it. So you have two options. Neither one is too difficult to do. So good luck, and thank you for watching.